is nada at the end of the day.
Nada Brahma.
And it is no different from mantra. It is no different from the japa that we do. We just use different syllables, different words, but ultimately the effect that the mantra japa, the energy from the yantra and the practice of tantra ultimately all culminate in nada.
In Nada.
And it is quite surprising that we are talking about these two as different subjects because we perform different activities, we call ourselves from different career spaces, but it is ultimately the same as we also introduce kids who come and learn music. We introduce music as the notes Shadja and Panchama evolved from the faces of Lord Shiva. According to me, in music, it is easier to understand whether you are learning from a genuine guru or not, because ultimately you will be able to
Cross it, because you are doing it in the front of the public. So both the initiated and the uninitiated, both you are coming in front of both.
if you do not if you're not able to sing, then either the student or the guru has failed.
Exactly.
And most part of it will be the guru.
It will be the guru. Yes.
And we do have schools, we call it Bani in music.
Could you please further elaborate?
Yeah, just like how we have the different paramparas in
Amnayas.
different amnayas, we have banis, we have schools of music, we have schools of dance. But again, like Acharya ji mentioned, there should be something like Sarva Amnaya for the arts too, because the same composition, say for example of Muthuswami Dikshitar,
Yes.
the same composition is sung in so many different ways by these different schools, but ultimately what is it that they are trying to do?
You are singing Abhangas.
Finally, I'm singing
Abhangas. You sometimes also go to Hindustani classical.
I sing compositions of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Yes.
I sing compositions of Mirabai.
Yes.
But the essence of the song,
Yes.
it could be a Hindustani rag or a Karnatic ragam. It is just the way we present it changes.
Exactly.
But ultimately the standardization has to be found at some point where we all lead towards the same goal. We are all walking towards the same end goal. The theoretical part is for the general public that just wants to understand what music is all about. It's just like how people Google about Tantra. For example, we have the Lakshana Granthas for music, starting from same Abhinava Gupta.
The teachers teach. Yes, Abhinava Bharati or
Abhinava Gupta has written.
Yes, on Natya Shastra.
Yes, on Natya Shastra, on Sangeeta Shastra, we have the Sangeeta Ratnakara. We have so many books. But when you just read the books, because this is a performing art, it's an art form that needs to be done sadhana, okay, and it comes from within. It has some individualistic angle to it, which the guru partly transfers and you partly transfer to what you perform. So theoretical part, yes, we do have. It is for say, let us call it a kindergarten book.
Fine.
For anybody who wants to practice the sadhana of music. So you learn the basic ragas that are there.
The study part, it doesn't go means somewhere. It is complete practice. After a point of time, the studying part stops.
It stops. Yes, it does. You don't get to read books and further your knowledge in music beyond a point.
Beyond a point.
Yes. So you can do that as a basic exercise, but the furthering of music knowledge happens only with the repetition.
Repetition.
Song can be sung every day, but it will turn out differently.
Yes.
So it's something else. Another energy gets added to the iteration that that happens every day. So I think learning music from a proper guru is one step of learning the art itself. The second step is to sit with yourself. The second guru is yourself. So you sit with yourself and repeat the song, just like how we have students joining under every guru, and they expect to get onto the stage in less than a month. They'll ask, the word arangetram that you use is quite popular in the south.
Yes, everybody is anxious to have their arangetram.
In 1 month, they want to learn 10 songs. I want to learn. So they have a song count.
Yes.
And they come with that.
This is a similar problem that is in Tantra also.
Yeah. So they don't understand the spiritual the spiritual depth that each song has,
Yes.
the idea with which the composer has written the song. So, for example, yesterday I saw an Instagram reel where a dancer has portrayed padam. Padams and javalis are a very different type of composition that are majorly from the Telugu kingdoms,
Yes.
wherever they existed in the south. So the padams are generally oriented in a very nayaka bhav,
Yes.
where the heroine is pining to rejoin with the love of her life and everything. But finally, in the last stanza of every song, you will see who the hero is. It will ultimately be a Shiva, Krishna.
Natya yoga, that is why it is Natya yoga nadaha.
Yeah, and that aspect of the song is completely forgotten.
Forgotten.
So the dancers, be it the dancers or the musicians, primarily focus on the first part of the song where all the laukika, as we
Yes, the Laukika bhav.
yeah, they have a chance to establish and express the laukika, and the last stanza is done once or twice just to bring the mudra of the composer, and they finish it and go.
After the rise of YouTube itself, we lost a lot of Guru Shishya Parampara, because people just started learning independent songs from YouTube.
Independent songs.
And
But is music or about singing
that
independent
is
songs?
That is why we have mediocrity today. And mediocrity is widely accepted. That is more dangerous than mediocrity itself. The acceptance of mediocrity, where there are a few people who are very popular today and who know a set of 20-21 songs, and they go everywhere with those 20-21 songs. They are crowd pullers. They fill halls of 1,500, 2,000 capacity, because that has been accepted. It's enough if you know just 20 songs that you've learned from YouTube. When YouTube can do this, artificial intelligence can write songs. It can write in Tamil, it can write in Sanskrita, it can write in Telugu, it can write in any language. You can bring about your own album with the help of artificial intelligence.
Yes.
The one thing AI cannot do is evoke the bhav in the listener. That is something only the artist themselves can do, if they themselves experience the bhav when they sing.
Is this bhava transferred from the guru to the shishya?
Yes, 100%. There is no doubt. The idea that the music that you're singing, for example, if I'm a teacher and there's a student right in front of me, unless I take the responsibility to impart the idea that that kid has to sing that particular song with that bhakti, with that surrender, it can be any deity. I can be singing a song on Shiva. I can be singing a song on the Jalakanteshwara that is there in Trichy. But I might be thinking about Krishna. Because I might be a Vaishnavite singing on stage. Do Vaishnavites refrain from singing any song on Shiva or anybody? But they truly believe in, Krishna or Ram or Narayana.
Yes.
The ultimate aim to present a song or to sing at any point is to surrender. That surrender is the essential bhava that is to be transferred from the guru to the shishya, which AI can never do. The intention when we do that particular sadhana, it is again an effort. It is again time spent with the art itself and with self. So the more time we spend with self, which is equal to meditation, the mind opens up to a broader source of information where you get a calling.
You get a calling.
Yeah, you get a calling. You just know that you want to do these things. You just push to do these things. It is like a force that pushes you in a particular direction, where you don't sit, look at a wall, write down and decide I am going to do such things. The way I come up with ideas, I always attribute it to a higher force. I never say I came up with these ideas, because I know I did. So the more I spend time with myself, say I'm just sitting with a tambura and I'm just singing one note, because my guru always says that the ultimate music is that one shajja. Whatever composition, rag, tal, whatever we do, finally that nada is that one note, that shajja that opens the entire universe to do. So the more we sit with that one note, the more we sit with any bhav that we want to do through dance or through painting or anything it is time with self. So it is self, which is nothing but the higher force, which pushes us in a particular direction, be it Project Vanam, or be it the urban re-landscaping that I'm trying to do, or the experience centers that I'm trying to. I always say that I'm just trying to, because I can only try. The energy comes from somewhere else, the decision comes from somewhere else, and when it gets implemented, it is for everybody else. So we don't exist there at all. So it is entirely up to the higher force and the energy that pushes you in the direction.